Alright, here we are on the outskirts of Middletown, New York, around 5:30 p.m. on Saturday. Hurricane hasn't hit yet. Got this stream running through my yard, and I just want to kind of take a look at it in a before sense. And then we can take a look at it whenever the rain stops in a couple of days and see how it's doing in an after context. Right now, it's just a tiny, placid little thing. You can barely hear it. But I have a feeling that I might not be able to get close to it tomorrow evening. Right now, we are standing in it. And that's where it exits the yard back there. So we'll see you tomorrow. Wish us luck.